Good day, everyone. My name is Engineer John Anthony S. Encina, Field Application Engineer here in Hytec Power Incorporated. And now, I'm gonna be introduced to you our distributor product. It's called NordLock washers. So, this kind of segment in my YouTube channel, and make sure you do the thing, like, subscribe, and turn on those post notification for more products featured here in Hytec Power. And let's go to the product. Let's go. Here it is, NordLock washers, and I'm going to present to you what is the feature of this NordLock washers. Vibration and dynamic loads or self-loosening bolts. Every single day, your critical bolted joints are under attack. Standard washers, split washers, and double nuts promise security until the vibration takes over, leading to costly downtime, structural damage, or critical equipment failure. So it also causes as a high operational cost. What if you could guarantee your bolts never loosen? No matter how severe the shock, could be low or heavy shock. NordLock wedge locking washers, the ultimate solution for maximum safety in bolted joints. Unlike the traditional washers that rely on friction, NordLock uses geometry to lock the bolt in place. As you can see in my presentation, they have a cam geometry, uses a pair of washers with cam on the inner side and radial teeth on the outer side. And also it features the wedge effect. Any attempt by the bolt to loosen forces cams to ride up against each other. Increase the clamp load rather than losing it. NordLock washers come to pre-assembled in pairs, face-to-face, or the cam angle A alpha is greater than the thread pitch of beta. Beta. When dynamic forces to try to loosen the bolt, the cams expand, so increasing the clamping force and physically preventing the bolt from turning to loose. It doesn't rely on friction. It's locked by the tension. In the next slide, we can see the table of comparison about traditional fasteners and the NordLock solutions. By locking mechanism, by vibration resistance, maintenance need, and safety downtime risk. In traditional fasteners, they are friction-based, but in NordLock solution, they are geometry-based. How about vibration resistance? So, they low or loosen under the shock, while the NordLock solution will be a high and passes junker ISO 16130. Maintenance need. In traditional fasteners, they are frequent retightening, so you're always retightening. While in NordLock solution, minimal or fit and forget. You can only use one force bolting and fit and forget. And for safety and downtime risk, in traditional fasteners, they have high risk of failure. But in NordLock solution, they have a zero self-loosening risk. How about the junker test? So as you can see, the comparison with NordLock washers and with no NordLock washers. As you can see, with no NordLock washers, during the vibration, it also moves the nuts and the bolting. While with the NordLock washers, it also stay no matter what, how hard the vibration it is. In the standard junker testing, the toughest vibration test in the engineering, traditional locking methods fails in seconds. As you can see the presentation, and NordLock washers maintain their original clamp load indefinitely. So when you untorque a NordLock assembly, you actually feel a slight increase in resistance as the cams pass each other, proving the joint was locked tightly until the moment you decided to losing it. So, what's the key advantage that set NordLock apart? So, first is reusable. It's designed to be installed and remove multiple times without losing performance. So, they have an extreme condition. Available in various materials including the stainless steel and the high nickel alloys for corrosive or for high temperature environments. And lastly, to easy maintenance, so quick installation using standard hand tools with no special torque, sequence, or thread lockers required. So stop risking downtime and safety. Upgrade your critical bolted connection with NordLock washers. So the world leader in bolt security system. So I'm gonna be linked in the description of more technical information about the NordLock, and also I will gonna be sent a Google form about the inquiries or questions about in this video. Thank you so much for your watching and listening to this presentation. Thank you so much, and make sure to do the thing like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification. My name is Engineer Johnnation Encina, Field Application Engineer in Hytec Power Incorporated. Again, thank you so much. This is the NordLock system. This little thingy is gonna be improve the bolts